So Palmerston College was a 90 kilowatt solar system that we installed recently. So the process of that obviously goes to tender. So we obviously had to tender against a couple of other solar companies, and lucky enough that we were awarded that tender. So today we're here at Palmerston College up in Darwin, Northern Territory. The Darwin NT government has recently put together a NT Schools program where we put solar on schools. Today we're looking at a 90 kilowatt solar system. When it came to reading the tender, it was clear and evident that the government really wanted something that had a great warranty, great quality, and was going to be there for the long haul. They actually stated they wanted a 25-year performance and product warranty. So the requirements of that tender, they're really looking for quality, longevity and reliability. So this project took us around 7 days to install, from start to finish. This included basically putting the rail, the walkway you see on here for ease of maintenance, to completion and commissioning. Yeah, so the government in the Northern Territory here really look for quality. They look for the return on their investment with 25 years warranty in performance and product.